You could say this machine is aiming to fire your local bartender and give you the job instead. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Making a cocktail at home is a lot easier thanks to the Bartesian Cocktail Maker. As Keurig is to coffee, this machine makes cocktails just as easily. It holds 4 different spirits at a time, and with the press of a button, you can have a margarita, a Cosmo, even an old-fashioned in less than a minute. It works like a Keurig, but instead of filling a water tank, you're going to pour your booze into the aesthetically designed glasses. Next, you're going to choose a pod for the cocktail you want to create and insert it into the machine. Select the strength, tap mix, and the Bartesian Cocktail Maker will pour your perfect drink. Throwing a party? Leave out the bartender and let your guests have fun dispensing their own libations. Well, there are tons of glowing 5-star reviews of customers who've successfully become an at-home mixologist. I want to know if you think this is proof that tech is taking over more jobs than ever. Let me know over at cyberguy.com and I'll let you know about the latest innovations there. And for more, be sure to sign up for my newsletter.